In this exercise, you'll enable snapshotting in Hdfs. Then create a snapshot, and then delete the snapshot. And then finally disable snapshotting. Now pause the video and perform the exercise, and when you've completed it, come back to the video and see what I did. So here I am at my terminal window to my main Hadoop name node or master node, Hadoop 1. Now I'm going to start out by checking my Hadoop file system, and we're going to do an ls on the root directory. So at the moment it's empty. But what I'm going to do is first enable snapshotting. So we do this by hdfs dfsadmin -allow snapshot. And then we specify the path. In this case, the root directory of our Hdfs, just specified with a slash. So it tells me that allowing snapshot on / succeeded. So now I'm going to copy a file. So I'll do Hadoop fs -copy from local. And I have a file called test.txt, and I'm going to copy that into the root of my Hdfs. Now if I want to see the contents of the file, just do Hadoop fs -cat, or to output the file, so /test.txt, and the file contains the string or the letters OK. Now let's create the snapshot. So I'll do hdfs dfs -create snapshot, and we specify a path and a snapshot name, my snapshot. So the snapshot is created. And if I want to delete the snapshot now, I'll do hdfs dfs -delete snapshot, the path, and my snapshot again. And now to disable snapshotting or disallow snapshotting, I do hdfs dfsadmin -disallow snapshot, and we'll specify the slash again for our root path of Hdfs. And now we've disallowed snapshot on /, and it succeeded. And that concludes this exercise on creating and deleting snapshots in Hadoop.